I'm Ashru. I'm student of Kerala Agriculture University, currently doing my MSc in biotechnology. I was interested in genome editing, that's why I joined CRISPR-Cas9 workshop. I have completed 7-day workshop in CRISPR-Cas9 from BDJ Life Science. It was a nice experience. They almost cover all the CRISPR server tools and it increases my knowledge. It was a good learning experience from BDG. The team supported me from the starting itself and they almost clear all the doubts and they are very active. I would strongly recommended this course for all the aspiring genetic engineers and for all those who are interested in genome editing, especially CRISPR-Cas9. Thank you, BTG.
Hello, my name is Diksha Depriya and I am pursuing my MSc degree from Gangadhar Meher University, Odisha. I got enrolled for the CRISPR-Cas9 7-day workshop from BDC Life Science, and it was an informative and interactive course, and I got to know about the off-target analysis of sgRNA, CRISPR cloning and primer designing. It was a very informative class and I am very much satisfied with it and hope to join more workshops from BDG Life Science later on. Thank you.
I'm Yogalakshmi. I completed my MTech in biotechnology from Anna University. Recently, I underwent a workshop on CRISPR-Cas9 from BDK Life Sciences. The workshop was very informative and it provided all the basic knowledge about CRISPR-Cas9, and I also learned many tools used for CRISPR-Cas9 designing. Overall, the workshop was very good, and the tutor was also very friendly. I would like to thank BDG Life Sciences for this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello all, I'm Arjun. So I had attended the 2 days WGS workshop offered by BDJ Life Sciences. I found the workshop to be very informative and useful, since I'm a researcher in computational biology as well as a newbie in this field. The workshop gave me a snapshot of next generation sequencing and subsequent data analysis associated with it. Also, I was able to get an exposure on the Galaxy Suite and different tools we can use for the NGS data analysis. We were also able to analyze a couple of datasets, sample datasets, in which we performed quality checking to annotation of variants. For each and every step, the trainer gave an accurate description of the tools we were using as well as the whole idea of what we were doing. So, in short, to summarize, the workshop was pretty fruitful and I appreciate the BDG group for organizing this. Thank you.
Hello sir, I am Sarthak Subhajit, Applied Microbiology from VIT University Vellore. So thank you to BDG Lifetime. I have learned so many things like related to bioinformatics like ChemSketch, OpenBabel, HPDB, drug discovery, ADMET. So it was very good 5-day session. I have lot of informative session by Akif sir, and one teacher was there, and thanks to BDG, and it was very fascinated and knowledgeable 5-day webinar, and in future I will also join other sessions conducted by BDG related to bioinformatics. In this 5-day course, ChemSketch, OpenBabel, HPDB, Cragwin, MGL tools using autodocking. So many things I have learned. So thank you BDG. Thank you.
Hi, I am Smarnika Das. I recently pursuing my bachelor degree in biotechnology. I recently participating in a 5 days workshop on molecular biology and genetic engineering from BDG Life Science, which was held from 6 August to 10 August. It was very useful. We could learn so much things and so much knowledge about this topic which by used to understanding the genetic engineering and molecular biology. And thank you for giving this platform or opportunity to being a part of this workshop. Thank you.